Hi everyone. In this video, we would like to introduce about special but interesting roof tiles in Vietnam, called Yin-Yang roof tiles. It's a traditional type of clay roofing tile commonly used in ancient Vietnamese and East Asian architecture. They consist of two alternating parts, yin tiles, concave, and yang tiles, convex, which fit together to form a beautiful and functional roof surface. Made from natural clay, these tiles are shaped, dried, and fired in a kiln using traditional methods. One of the most unique features of this tiles is their excellent ventilation and insulation, keeping buildings cool in summer and warm in winter. It's not easy to make, but it's interesting to learn how, and here are some steps the local in northern Vietnam make these beautiful tiles. Step 1. Clay. Preparation. This must be the most important step to make the most quality tiles. Clay must be natural, filtered to remove impurities, and kneaded until smooth and pliable. Step 2. Shaping. The clay is shaped into two types of tiles, yin tiles and yang tiles, using molds or by hand. Step 3. Drying. The shaped tiles are left to air dry naturally in the shade to prevent cracking. Step 4. Firing. Once dried, the tiles are fired in a traditional kiln at high temperatures to harden and strengthen them. Step 5. Finishing. After firing, the tiles are sorted and ready to be used for roofing, typically arranged in alternating yin and yang rows for both aesthetics and functionality.